Like this, because you can see like it's long. Then after a short time, every time I wake up, I find. So in short, you're saying they should not try this after? No, they should try it. But hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this wig. It's actually a wig. I bought this hair at $3 only, that is 300 shillings, 300 Kenya shillings, and I bought a cap at $2, that is 200 shillings. That makes this hair like 500 shillings, 300 shillings and 200 shillings for the cap. Yeah, so and then also maybe you can just buy a band and stitch on the cap to make it more secure. Actually my sister is the one who inspired me to try this color, because she actually has always been insisting that I should try a different color, like different hair color. I should dye my hair blonde or just play with colors. I'm not really a fan of different colors because I always feel like they won't look good on me, but I've tried red. Red is actually perfect and my favorite color so far, and black. So I wanted to try this color and I love it. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you like how to make this wig. Yeah. This is the hair that I use. It's called Guess Girl number 30 and 1 pack is enough. I bought it from Nairobi Best Ladies. I'll try and get a link for you on where you can get it online. So there were 8 bundles, but I only used 6.5. The first thing you're going to do is cut the end so that when you want to split them, it doesn't tangle. Then split them into as many pieces as you want, just to quicken up the process, because you don't want to split them when you're crocheting. So as you crochet around the band, just make sure you don't crochet the cap because you don't want your wig to be tied. The hair in the middle, I decided to cut my bundles into half so that I don't run out of hair, and also just to make my wig look bigger.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
I actually have like 1.5 bundles left, but I didn't want to fill the entire cup because I don't want my wig to be bulky, even though this hair is very light.
We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like.
Also need this hair bonding glue. We're going to apply it around the bun to make this hair look natural around the hairline.
I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me.
I went ahead and wrapped this hairband around the cap where I'd applied the glue just to make the hairline look more natural and have some baby hair. So wrap it like this and let it dry for like 30 minutes or overnight. So I actually left it for just 10 minutes and it hasn't like really dried.
I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
Just make sure the glue dries so that the hair looks so natural, and also that no one can see the bun when you put this hair in a ponytail. So as you can see, for my wig you can see the bun because I didn't let it dry for long. Like the glue is still wet, but if you leave it to dry for like some few hours, it will look so natural. So I decided to style it like this, and also because I have natural hair, like I don't have cornrows, so if I decide to wear this hair in a ponytail, it won't look perfect. That's why I decided to just change the style. And also as you can see, I decided to crochet more hair just to create the parting.
Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy
So I really love the color. I definitely will dye my other wigs like this. At least 2 or 3 of my wigs. So guys, for this hair, really avoid touching it because every time you touch it, you just want to trim it. So actually my sister is the one who made me try this style, this color, because she told me like I would look good in this color because I'm a dark skin. So I wanted to try it and I love it. The only color I've tried is red, and if I try like blonde, it's like maybe ombre, like black and another color. But just like the entire hair, this color, I really didn't think I would look good with any other color. But red, I look good with red. I've tried red before and it is perfect. I really love it. Guys, what do you think? I really love it. So guys, she's the one who inspired me to try this color. Like, she's actually asked me several times to just try different colors and not like stick to black and red. Yeah, so this is her hair. She held it for how many weeks?
1.5 weeks.
1.5 weeks. And do you like it?
Every time I style it, I have to trim it. That's the problem with this hair, but it's good. And you know guys, at first this hair was longer, like hers,
like this, because you can see like it's long.
Then after a short time, every time I wake up, I find that it has tangled.
So will you put it again?
No, I don't think I'll try this.
So in short, you're saying they should not try this hair?
No, they should try it, but
it won't serve them for long. But it's cheap. Actually guys, this hair is very cheap. It's just like $3. That is 300 Kenya shillings only. That's why like you find like it won't serve you for long.
One packet
is enough. Yeah, one packet is enough. And I love it. The fact that it's just a wig for me, I won't like be stressed styling it and all that. But for her, there's a video she shared on her YouTube channel on this hairstyle, so you can just follow her for Vicky and see what she did. Yeah, so that was it for this video. If you learned something guys, remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.